Tired of repetitive tasks eating your day? Learn how to build powerful AI automations that run themselves, no coding needed. After this tutorial, you'll be able to design and deploy complex AI workflows using n8n's agent nodes, saving countless hours and boosting your productivity by automating everything from social media to data analysis. The problem, why this matters. Relatable pain point. Manual content creation, social media scheduling, and data processing are massive time sinks for businesses. What most people do wrong? Relying on rigid, non-intelligent automation or still performing tasks manually, limiting scale and efficiency. What's possible instead? Autonomous AI agents in n8n can handle complex, multi-step tasks, freeing you to focus on strategy and growth. Getting set up. Exact tool/platform to use. Sign up for n8n, n8n.io. Account setup or setting to enable. Connect your AI provider credentials, e.g. OpenAI API key, Google Gemini API key within n8n. One gotcha to avoid. Ensure your API keys have sufficient credits or permissions to avoid workflow failures. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Set up a Google Sheet Watcher node to trigger a workflow when a new article URL is added. Step 2. Add an AI agent node, AG using GPT-4, with a custom tool to write social media posts for Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram based on the article's content. Step 3. Integrate a Stability AI or OpenAI DALL-E node to generate a relevant image based on the AI agent's post descriptions. Step 4. Connect Twitter and LinkedIn nodes via API to automatically publish the AI-generated text and image to your social channels. Key variable to adjust for best results. Experiment with the AI agent's system prompt and custom tool definitions to fine-tune content style and accuracy.
Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Define custom tools for your AI agents, e.g. search Google, send email, to extend their capabilities beyond pure text generation. Power user trick 2. Integrate Slack or WhatsApp nodes to allow conversational interaction with your AI agents for approvals or real-time queries. Combination with another tool. Build a Chat with Google Sheets agent that queries and updates sheet data based on natural language prompts. Real-world results. Concrete example output. Show the automated social media posts live on Twitter and LinkedIn generated from a new Google Sheet entry. Time/money saved. Illustrate how this workflow saves 5 to 10 hours per week for a content creator or small business by automating repetitive tasks. Use cases viewers can try today. Encourage viewers to identify their own repetitive tasks like lead classification, personalized email follow-ups, or internal reporting for automation. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.